Everyone, I'm Siram Moipuya from class 1. Today, I'm going to talk about our solar system, galaxy, and black hole.
Oleh, ilmu sena. Kai lam dau leka. Ram turin kanin. Ngen ani.
Hi everyone, I'm Siram Moipuya from class 1. Today, I'm going to talk about our solar system, galaxy, and black hole. Solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The last is Neptune. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. Earth has life in the form of living organisms, and we live on Earth. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Earth has one moon. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. Mars is red because its surface contains iron. A year on Mars is longer than a year on Earth. You need a spacesuit to live on Mars. Mars has 2 moons, and that is Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is the fastest spinning planet. Jupiter has 80 moons. A day on Jupiter is super fast. 9 hours and 55 minutes only. Jupiter has rings, but they are too faint to see very well. Saturn is the second largest planet. It has a beautiful rings. You cannot stand on Saturn. Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas. Saturn has 83 moons. It has a moon bigger than Mercury. Uranus has the coldest temperature recorded. Uranus has rings. Uranus makes a complete orbit around the sun in about 84 Earth years. It has 27 moons. Neptune is the farthest planet. It has the strongest winds in the solar system. Neptune has the coldest overall average temperature. The color of Neptune is a bright azure galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and stars. There are billions of galaxies, but only a few have names, such as the Andromeda Galaxy, Sombrero Galaxy, and Milky Way Galaxy. Milky Way Galaxy is called a spiral galaxy. It has over 200 billion stars. Our solar system is located in Milky Way Galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda Galaxy is bigger than Milky Way Galaxy. It has about 1 trillion stars. Sombrero Galaxy. Sombrero Galaxy is pretty small, but it has about millions of stars. It is head-shaped galaxy. It is very bright because of high concentrations of stars. Canis Major, dwarf galaxy. It is a small and irregular galaxy. It looks different than other galaxies. Black hole. Black holes are among the most destructive objects in the universe. Its gravitational force is so strong that even light cannot escape. Black hole is invisible. Black hole can swallow